Welcome to paradise. Today we're taking you on one of the coolest island hopping trips in Palawan, Philippines. Just relax because we're headed to the famous Secret Lagoon. As we get closer, those huge limestone cliffs are going to be right above you. Here's a quick tip, don't forget your Aqua shoes. The ground under the water is full of sharp rocks, so you'll want some good grip and protection.
So, we need to wear po aqua shoes, sneakers, kasi ang bato po dito so, dito kailangan anak ko na naman lakad, langoy lang po, din lakad lang po doon sa loob so, prepare po kayo mama kasi ito yung pinaka-crowded zone so far, hindi pa lang so, hindi mas nakaroon na dapat mga-crowded to 15 to 20 minutes hintay bago makapasok 15 to 20 minutes bago lumabas so, after natin pumasok sa loob, palit tayo sa pangkalit. Prepare kayo, ma'am.
After a short 15 to 20 minute boat ride, we've made it. Just ahead is the hidden entrance. From the outside, it's super small, just a little opening in the rock. Secret Lagoon. The water turns this gorgeous, calm emerald green as we get nearer. It's super clear, but remember what the guides say. Watch your step on those uneven rocks. Look at that. Getting inside is part of the adventure, and it's a bit snug. The best way is to sit down, swing your legs in first, and slide on through. Just keep an eye on your head and take care of your stuff as you go.
I'll show you how to get in. So it's better to sit down.
Up. Yeah, got it. Okay.
And swing your legs, and from here you need to slide over. But always keep one finger because you might take the
Once you wiggle through, you'll find an amazing hidden pool surrounded by tall stone walls. It's like stepping into another world. Your guide will show you some cool natural sights like the famous Crocodile formation that looks just like a crocodile's head and what looks like the Last Supper on an adjacent wall.
Crocodile Island.
Ayan po, ayan yung buto na pababa.
Oo nga, no? Oo nga, para crocodile. Ang galing mo.
Ma'am, Crocodile. Head of the rock formation, head of the person. This is the rock. So you know Last Supper?
Saan ang Last Supper
Last
ngayon?
Supper naman din, sa wall naman, sir. Sa wall. Ay, kumatay. Oh, yan, nakabang tayo.
Ay, ang galing ano. Ang galing, oh. Yeah. Ang galing, ah.
Ano po,
Pila na tayo sa bus.
yung kasi yung crocodile sa sobrang tagal niya nakaano dyan, yung mata niya, ayun o.
Nakalabas.
Same,
Yeah, okay.
So you need to sit down first, bow your head.
When it's time to leave, make sure to squeeze out carefully, take your time, and follow the guide's tips to get back to the shallow water safely.
Dito lang kamam ha. Upo, yuko. Wait na lang munti. Harap ka din ma'am, harap ka din ma'am. Harap ka sa kanila. Kamay ha. Take your time.
Wow.
Okay, take your time, sir. Yan, daan lang, sir. Sir, yung ulo po.
Yeah.
Sir, watch your head.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay, there you go. Sir, bato both sides.
Got it. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
We're heading back out to the ocean to find our boat.
Dapa ma'am, dapa. Wala rin may mga barila ma'am, dapa. Hindi na kaya butin na.
The one, I think we're the only ones with a ledge on top. Yeah. Oh, it says El Nido on the front too. Yeah. Analu. Yep. I know.
If you're booking a tour, look for a boat with an upper deck. It gives you a fantastic view of the islands as you cruise between stops. As we leave the secret lagoon, we'll navigate carefully around the shallow reef.
Don't hit the rocks. Oo. Huwag ka kamutin. Okay.
Mawawala.
Okay. Oo nga eh. Okay. Oh, thank you. Yeah. One more. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
El Nido really is as amazing as people say. Thanks for exploring with us, and we can't wait to see you at the next island.